Good afternoon, happy Monday, welcome to week 11. I hope you guys are enjoying the beautiful temperatures we have right now. It's amazing. We are in week 11, like I said, so if you blink, the semester is going to be over. Keep working hard, keep doing those activities and 30 topics a week until you finish your pie. I did want to give you a couple of announcements. First of all, I'm starting to meet with more and more of you each week, which is awesome. It's getting to the point where a lot of you are needing help. I can meet with you for a short session just to go over, even if you only have 2 topics that you're stuck on, we can meet real quick and go over those and send you on your way. I can also make a video like the one I made for the 1050 folks this week. That one covered 5 topics. I can make much shorter ones if you want me to just send you one on one topic. So send me screenshots if you do. One other thing I wanted to mention is that I don't know, the due date in Alex for the final exams is incorrect. They just kind of set those up, copy and paste them every semester. But this semester, your topics must be completed by Sunday, May 9th. That's our last week of class. And then your final exam has to be completed by Tuesday, May 11th. I have to submit grades on Wednesday. So I will send that all in the announcement as well, but I just wanted to make you aware. Don't go by the due dates in Alex. I will send you those due dates in this announcement, but May 9th is the deadline for topics. May 11th is the deadline for finals. Some of you guys are already finishing up your pie and taking your finals and moving on, which is great. So remember, you can finish early and then you just don't have to do anything. That's a great idea. Let me know how I can help you guys this week, and I look forward to working with you soon.